Good afternoon and welcome to this latest GreenFleet Roundtable event in Warrington. I'm joined this afternoon by Paul George from DRAX. Paul, you're going to tell me a little bit more about DRAX and what you're doing in the EV charging space.
Yeah, for sure. DRAX is a large power generator in the UK. We've been responsible for generating renewable power, which we have a separate division within the business which supplies that energy into industrial commercial businesses in the UK. My specific focus within the group is within the electric vehicle charging infrastructure and the energy services team. So really we're supporting clients of all sizes, all sectors, in terms of understanding what the landscape is around EV charging and how we help them navigate that landscape in terms of deploying appropriate EV charging infrastructure across the estate. We're helping customers in a range of ways address those decarbonisation challenges, the net zero challenges, whether it be through fleet electrification or optimisation of energy assets that sit on site at the moment. But yeah, it's a really interesting space at the moment. Lots happening in terms of new technology, compliance, policy and regulation, and a range of kind of industry-led challenges as well across the vehicle and the charge point manufacturing industry as well. So a lot happening in the space at the moment, and it's a very exciting time for our customers and for ourselves. And yeah, we're enjoying supporting and listening to some of the challenges that our customers face, and hopefully supporting them along the way in terms of achieving those electrification and sustainability targets.
Perfect. Thank you, Paul. So DRAX generate the electricity and that is renewable.
Correct.
You supply the electricity and you can provide the EV charging infrastructure for workplace and depot
Correct.
fleets. Great. Now you've been with us today for this roundtable event. We've had some very frank conversations around the table, the good and the bad, but lots of different experiences. What struck you from the conversations that we've had today?
I think what struck me from the conversations I've had today, I mean, we had a real mix of people across different industry sectors, both public and private, different size organisations as well within that. I think what really struck me was, again, whilst there's kind of individual challenges, there's some commonalities and themes across different industry sectors or profile organisations that we speak to. And that's been really interesting because whilst in the past we've spoke with a specific organisation or industry sector about what the challenges that they face, to hear them kind of repeated today from different industry sectors or different size organisations has been really interesting. And again, it just kind of sheds a light on some of the commonalities that face most businesses across this challenge and this electrification piece.
Yeah, okay. So when I think about those commonalities, from a workplace charging point of view, you've got leased properties, so quite difficult to make the investment case. There was also not enough power coming to site. So you must hear these things all of the time. I guess you're well versed in solving these problems.
Yeah, we are. And I say there's a real kind of breadth and depth to the services that we offer, because it really takes on kind of different guises as we get into the understanding of what the challenges are for customers. Some of the insights that we glean give us a lens into some of the ways in which these challenges have been addressed. But yeah, it's been really interesting because, like I said, there's things that we've thought have been quite specific to an industry.
Yep.
But hearing different people talk about the same issues has been quite enlightening.
Not that different.
Yeah.
Not that different. Well, Paul, we need more companies like DRAX getting involved in this process, particularly working with fleets who are diverse and have a lot of challenges. So thank you very much for your time today, and thank you to DRAX for joining this GreenFleet Roundtable.
Absolute pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you.